Hey guys, this is our Northeastern 2024 New York City, and I am so glad it didn't turn out like the newscasters wanted it to. Thank God that we serve a God that knows what He wants to do, how He wants to do it, instead of man trying to, you know, say all this and say all that. But they said, oh, it's going to be a severe storm and this, that, and other, blase, blase. Well, here in New York City, we are cool. Over here with the grandchild. Let me show you guys. Hey guys, this is your girl Deborah, Catch It by Faith. This is our first, supposed to be real snow. They done shut down the schools. And as you can see, it's little or nothing. All on the news they make, well, it could be snowing worse in other places. But it's just a little messy, slushy. That's about it. But I'll take some slush any old day. Now, it could have been pretty bad somewhere else, don't get me wrong. But here in New York City, the city that never sleeps, we are cool. So, we just came to get some lunch, and I'm out of here.